All right, here we have a 1959 Porsche 356A. This is going to be the first start. I got the muffler in today, put it on. I'm going to get some fuel to the carburetors, make sure we're timed, and hopefully this bad boy will start. So stay tuned. All right, guys, there you have it. 1959 Porsche 356A engine. First startup. For what I know, this engine sat for 15 plus years, and it feels really good to get it going again. Everything went smooth. I had a few oil leaks that I had to tighten up, a few carburetor leaks I had to tighten up, but other than that, it started right up and it ran very good. I just had to adjust the valves, do a little bit more tuning on the carburetor. Porsche just made an all-around good engine. Just runs so smooth, and it's just finesse with good power. This thing's pretty torquey. I had a hard time keeping it on my stand. It wanted to kind of rattle off, but everything went good, and looking forward to doing another one. So be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.